What's up guys, and breaking news, we have the actual hands-on video of the brand new Pixel 6 Pro. So far we have only seen Pixel 6 Pro in Google's promo material, their billboards, and of course at their Google store, but now for the first time we have full hands-on look of the Pixel 6 Pro from someone who's not from Google, showing us how this phone actually looks like in real life and exposing everything. But before we talk about this, we have to talk about something that's even more exciting than the Pixel 6 series, and that is the Pixel Fold. Yes, the Pixel Fold is real, and now we have a very strong information coming from a credible source, EvLeaks, and according to his info, the Pixel Fold will get announced before the end of this year. Holy moly, Google has been shifting all of our attention to the Pixel 6 series for this whole time, whereas in reality, they have their most important and the most expensive Pixel foldable flagship in the works. Google's CEO wasn't kidding at all when he said they'll go heavy with the hardware investments. The Pixel Fold will be the first true challenger to Samsung's foldable dominance. For now, these are the only details we know about Google's upcoming foldable device, but soon there will be more information. Now coming back to the hands-on video of the Pixel 6 Pro, you can see the phone is in this gray color, and right off the bat the most obvious thing for me is the back glossy look. You can see the fingerprint smudges as well. Another interesting thing is that the Pixel 6 Pro appears to look small in hand even though it's not really a small phone. We have almost 6.71 inch screen, which is very impressive. As for the display, this is indeed curved on the side, not that much, we just have a slight curve. As for the camera, you can clearly see the 3 camera sensors along with the LED flash, and of course the whole camera bump is also kind of visible from the side. Overall, the design is looking pretty good, but this is definitely not the color that I would go for. The one that is displayed on Google Store is the color that is looking a lot more better in real life compared to this gray model. Let me know what you think about this real life design look in the comment section below. Now guys, it's true, the Pixel 6 Pro actually beats both S21 Ultra and the iPhone 13 Pro Max in wired and wireless charging. The wired fast charging speeds are pretty much confirmed by XDA according to this regulatory information for the Pixel 6 Pro. It will have 33-watt fast wireless charging speeds, which is in line with the previous rumors, and if that's actually happening, then very likely we'll see faster wireless charging as well. Google will introduce a brand new Pixel stand that will offer 23-watt fast wireless charging speeds. Again, that is indeed faster than what we have on the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Google is indeed not leaving anything behind. We have features on top of features. Things are looking good. That's all for today. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you later. Peace out.